Are you curious about how lean meats and poultry can be the cornerstone of a healthy and satisfying diet? Healthy living with lean meats and poultry is your ticket to exploring the world of delicious and nutritious options in the world of animal-based proteins. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll delve into the benefits of incorporating lean meats and poultry into your diet, showcasing the potential for healthier living and culinary delight. 1. The lean protein riddle. In the opening paragraph, introduce the riddle of lean proteins, highlighting their role as a healthy dietary choice. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to unlocking the secrets of how lean meats and poultry can contribute to your overall well-being. 2. Understanding lean proteins. Begin by defining what lean proteins are and why they are essential for a healthy lifestyle. Describe how these proteins are low in fat and calories, making them an ideal choice for those seeking a balanced diet. 3. The nutritional powerhouses. Delve into the nutritional benefits of lean meats and poultry. Emphasize how they are rich in essential nutrients like high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals that are crucial for maintaining good health. 4. Protein for muscle health. Discuss the role of lean proteins in promoting muscle health and overall physical wellness. Explain how these proteins support muscle growth and repair, making them ideal for athletes and those seeking to stay active. 5. Weight management. Explore the connection between lean proteins and weight management. Describe how these proteins can help with satiety and weight loss by keeping you feeling full and satisfied. 6. Cooking with lean proteins. Share insights into cooking with lean meats and poultry. Mention tips for preparing them in a way that's not only healthy but also delicious, such as grilling, roasting, or sautéing with minimal added fats. 7. Variety in the diet. Highlight the importance of variety in the diet and how lean meats and poultry can add diversity to your meals. Encourage readers to explore different cuts and cooking methods to keep their meals interesting. 8. The long-term wellness journey. Conclude with the idea that adopting healthy living with lean meats and poultry isn't a short-term endeavor, it's a lifelong commitment to better eating habits and overall well-being. Encourage readers to view lean proteins as an essential component of their long-term strategy for a healthier, more active life. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the benefits of incorporating lean meats and poultry into their diet but will also be motivated to make these proteins a staple in their culinary repertoire. Healthy living with lean meats and poultry is a journey into the world of nutritional wisdom, where every meal becomes an opportunity to fuel your body with the goodness of lean proteins. So, let's embark on this journey to discover the remarkable advantages that come with embracing these healthy protein sources for a leaner and more vibrant life. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.